Offshore Tackle presents Fishing 411 with Mark Romanack.
You know what, that might seem like an awful lot of holes to start, but one of the keys to being successful ice fishing is the ability to be mobile. Cover a lot of water and to be able to do it quickly. You gotta cut a lot of holes if you're gonna catch a bunch of fish. It's that simple.
Fishing 411 with Mark Romanack is brought to you by Burt's Custom Tackle, Okuma, Rivers West, Salmo, Chapman Sports Center, Offshore Tackle, Jay's Sporting Goods, Show Span, and by Starcraft Boats.
Look at there, fish on. I like that feeling. I like the I tell you what, let me show you this. Let me get a hold of this guy. Look at that. Hi, I'm Mark Romanack, and you're watching Fishing 411. You stick around for a little bit because we're going to show you how you can fill a bucket full of big slab bluegills, just like this one. The setting for this particular bluegill trip was in southwest Michigan, but really it could have been just about anywhere. It could have been in Wisconsin, could have been in Minnesota, could have been in North and South Dakota. Just about anywhere you have bluegills and ice, you can pretty well duplicate what we did. Bluegills are so popular, so widely distributed, you can find good fishing for them just about anywhere you might live.